Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you this look, but actually I'm not giving you this whole look. I'm not doing my eyes on camera, but I am doing my whole base routine on camera today. So as of late, probably since a little before Thanksgiving, I want to say, I've been doing this foundation routine, and guys, I think I perfected like the most bomb foundation routine of all times. So you guys will get to see how I do that. As always, don't forget to give this video a like. It always helps me out and I always appreciate it. As well as subscribe if you haven't been subscribed to already. I mean, might as well, it's right down there. And also follow me on my social media because, you know, why not? So that's all I wanted to say. So you guys will see how I get this foundation routine, and I think that's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so welcome. We're gonna be doing my foundation routine, my current foundation routine that is so good. I promise you guys, it's bomb as hell. So we're gonna jump right into it. I actually forgot, wasn't even planning on really filming this, but I did my eye makeup off camera, and I was about to do my base, and I was like, you know what, let me show this because this routine has really become like a favorite of mine. I really love it. So I primed already using the Benefit Porefessional. This is disgusting. Like the cap is missing. It's really dirty, but this is what I use to prime my face. And I hate primers, but this one's the only one I really like, and I don't prime my whole face with it. I just put it right here because I feel like it actually does blur out my pores. But yeah, let's get into it. So my two favorite foundations as of right now, and this combination is like my all-time favorite, has been the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is in the shade Classic Tan because it's a little too dark, and then I mix it with my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. This is in the shade Tawny. And this one's just a little too neutral and light for me, so mixing it together makes my perfect shade. And this is a very matte foundation routine because, not really because I'm oily, because I'm really not, I'm more normal to dry, but because of my skincare routine. And you'll see, and I'll talk through it in the video, but usually I can get away with it because my skin's not like so dry or anything. But these two are really, they leave like a good matte finish, but it's not like drying. You guys will see, it looks amazing. So I just mix pretty much half and half of both. I actually take more of the Estee Lauder and just probably like a pump of, just take a little bit, like half and half pretty much. I did way too much, so don't mind that. But, so you just dot it. And I have been breaking out like crazy, guys, because I don't know why actually, it's just my skin has been not feeling it lately, so we need to cover this up. So, taking a damp beauty sponge, just blend it out. And it's pretty much my perfect shade. You see that? I always feel if you're gonna do a full coverage, really intense, especially mattifying foundation routine, you should definitely be having a proper skincare routine. It does make your foundation apply on super smoothly and a lot better than you would if you didn't have a skincare routine. Just laying it on top of a moisturizer and stuff, it makes it look super nice. So you prep your skin for it, smooths it out, you know what I mean? So I would definitely suggest having a really good skincare routine, like a dewy one and stuff, especially if you're gonna have like a matte foundation. So I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C8. So, and just put this, you know, everywhere you would highlight. And we're actually also going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Light 20. So I'm going to use that because it's a little brighter, so. Both the formulas for both these concealers are really good, so. So let me go grab a contour brush to contour my face because we are going to cream contour, and I'll be right back. So next I'm going to grab my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Mocha to just cream contour it up because it kind of wiped me out a little bit, so. Then I'm going to take this Real Techniques to just buff it out. It is raining in Austin, so my plans to go out are canceled. So I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty baking, it's the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Pound Cake. Alright, so just leave that there for a little bit. Not too long because this powder is kind of like intense. And it's kind of drying, so you want to just dust it off as soon as you can. Now we're going to take the Sigma Spotlight Duster to dust away this because like I said, it's drying, and the longer you wait, the harder it is to dust this powder off, but it makes your makeup look really good. So it's kind of worth it. Next, we're going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Solei Medium Deep Matte Bronzer to bronze up. Then we're going to take the Milani Luminoso blush to just bring some pink into our cheeks. So, to add a little bit more of like snatch to my face, we're going to take the Kat Von D contour palette to contour to really help define my cheekbones. I really like doing this for when I really want to look snatched. And I just put it right there. You see, so it kind of like sharpens me up because the shadow. Next, we're going to take the Airspun powder. I don't like using my Huda powder for this because I feel like it's like, why use such an expensive powder to just clean up? So I just use the Airspun one. And I'm just gonna clean up so it looks sharper under my contour. And just like that. And this one, it's just like that. And while we're waiting for that to clean up, we're going to take the Makeup Revolution and Soph palette, highlighting palette, and again going with this shade. I use this in my one brand makeup tutorial, and I loved the way my skin looked with this highlighter. So I'm gonna use it again because I loved it. So yeah. And then taking that same Sigma duster brush, just clean it up. So taking my Morphe continuous setting mist, we're gonna set our face with this. This really, I don't know if I say this about every single setting spray because I never know if it actually helps my makeup last longer, but I really use it to get rid of the cakey look, which no matter what you do, if you're using powders, you're gonna look a little bit more cakey. But once you spray any good setting spray, it's gonna take that all away. So I'm going to go finish my eyes off camera, and I will be back to show you the end result. Okay guys, so pretty much that is my whole, let me see if it looks good. Oh yes, boo. Oh yes. So pretty much that's my whole foundation routine. It's super, super quick. The products blend out so seamless and easy. This is like my go-to foundation routine now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy, super quick. Just wanted to put this out there for you guys. I highly, highly suggest all these products, especially if you use them together. Amazing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys next time.